Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, February 29, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, February 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 29, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, February 29, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for February 29, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video of Thursday, February 29, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.